Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make chocolate drip with water and chocolate. Yeah, so normally I use cream and I have a recipe on this channel for that. But recently I saw this recipe on TikTok and I wanted to try it and see like how it comes out, like if it's the same with using cream, if it's better, or if it's same with using oil. Sometimes I use oil when I don't have cream at home. I use flavorless, odorless, colorless oil. Yes, so today we're going to be using a ratio of 1 to 1, 100 grams of cream to 100 grams of chocolate, and then we're going to put it in the microwave and stir. And this was the result after like I think about 30 seconds. So you want to stir it, but I kind of realized it was too watery for me. I prefer my drips to be thicker, so if you're going to do this, I think you should use the recipe of like 150 to 100 grams, 150 grams of chocolate to 100 grams of water. Yeah, so that's like 1.5 to 1. So but this, it wasn't too bad, so I kind of left it to cool down a little and decided to put it on my cakes. So let me show you guys how it turned out. It was okay. It was actually very nice. If you leave it to cool down and thicken up, because you know, if you leave chocolate for a while, it kind of thickens up. Yeah, if you leave it to cool down and thicken up for a while, you're going to like the consistency better. But to be on the safer side, just use 150 grams of chocolate to 100 grams of water. And this was what I had. I'm sorry guys. And this was what I had when I was done. It was okay. I loved the drip and everything, but I felt like it was too liquidy. So that's why you can see streaks of my spoon moving through the chocolate on top of the cake. Yeah, so use 100 grams of chocolate to 150 grams of chocolate to 100 grams of water, definitely. So thank you guys so much. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you want to use oil, you should do the same thing for oil. 100 grams of chocolate and 100 grams of oil. If you're going to be using cream, you need like a ratio of 1 to 1, and that works always. But if you're going to be using water, use 150 grams to 100 grams of water. So yes, so this was me when I was done, and I was trying to pipe some, you know, some dollops of icing on top of my cake. This is my bejeweled cake. If you guys want me to like make a separate video for you on how I make it, please leave me a comment in the comment section below. So this was me when I was done, and it was so cute and so pretty. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you in my future tutorials. Bye.